My name is Robert Bache, Medicare Bob. I empower you with Medicare knowledge. It is FAQ Friday, and in this video, I'm going to discuss when can people shop their Medicare Part D prescription drug plans with Medicare. There's a few different scenarios that I'm going to cover in this video. The first scenario is you are new to Medicare because you're turning 65 years old. Well, if you're turning 65 years old, Medicare allows you to shop your drug plan 3 months before your effective date, your birth month, the month of your birth month, and 3 months after. So 3 months before, the month up, and 3 months after you turn 65 is when you can initially shop for your prescription drug plan. Another scenario is for everyone who's already on Medicare for Part D, and that is every year between October 15th and December 7th, you're allowed to shop your prescription drug plan. And that is very important. Every year around the first week of September, you should receive a summary of change notice to your drug plan. Don't just look at the premium or the deductible changes, look at the formulary changes. Because a lot of people don't realize, they'll look at their premium and say, oh, it didn't go up that much or it didn't really change a whole lot. My deductible didn't change that much, so I'll just keep my drug plan the way it is. And then January or February, when they go to get their prescriptions filled, they realize that a few of their prescriptions might have gone from a tier 2 or a tier 3 prescription to a tier 4. And those can be very, very expensive. And that happens every year. So do not just focus on the premium, the deductible, also focus on the formulary that your prescriptions are still covered under a low tier so your prescription costs are not as high. You can shop every year between October 15th and December 7th, and that is something I encourage you to do. Another scenario is, let's say you are already on Medicare, you're on a retirement plan, and the retirement plan is going away, or you're still working and you're retiring. Well, you will have 60 days before and 63 days after that you are losing that coverage that you are allowed to shop for a prescription drug plan with Medicare. If you have a Medicare Advantage plan and you move out of service area, you're actually allowed to shop for a drug plan and go back to original Medicare. There's a few other scenarios, so if you have any questions, leave a comment below of when I can help you answer when can you shop your drug plan. For most people, though, it's going to be that October 15th and December 7th date, unless you have a life-changing event or you're new to Medicare. If you have any questions, please like and comment the video below. Also, please feel free to share this with your friends because this is a question that we are getting quite a bit. And I hope you have a great FAQ Friday.